Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're taking a look into Kaisar Network. Kaisar is a decentralized platform designed to use GPUs for AI training and machine learning. If you want to have access to the initial airdrop, all you need to do is run the Chrome extension. In this video I'll show you how you can get started. So what is Kaisar Network? Kaisar Network is a decentralized platform that connects underused GPUs to meet the growing demand for AI and machine learning. By leveraging idle GPU power, Kaisar offers a cost-effective and scalable alternative to traditional centralized computing. To have access to the initial airdrop, you don't need a GPU, you just need to create an account, then download the extension called ZeroNode and start earning. The extension will work in the background, earning you points. In the extension dashboard, you will be able to complete social tasks, earning you extra points and also some lucky draw tickets. I will show you the lucky draw next in the video. In the lucky draw, you can earn extra points, USDT, some peak tokens because this project will be built on the peak network. That's very positive as well. And also the best reward is the Kaisar NFT. The Kaisar NFT has a lot of perks. At the moment it costs around $130 in Ethereum. By owning the NFT you will get access to a lot of perks, including exclusive airdrops and also 2 times more tokens when mining with the ZeroNode extension. Another very positive point for this project is that the team is fully documented. You can actually go to LinkedIn and see Kaisar Network and find all the members there. To install the extension, just go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Kaisar ZeroNode. It should be the only option. You can just press and choose to install. Click on Add Extension and then you can just press the extension and create an account. They have a lot of options. You can use your email, you can use Google, Discord and even Twitter. In the dashboard you can see the total amount of points. You can also see the uptime for each day. In the rewards tab you can see the daily points that you have earned and you can also verify the NFT ownership to get 2 times rewards. In the referrals section you can see all the users that you have referred and you can also see your code. In the missions tab you can complete missions and also complete the daily task. As you can see, some missions reward you with points and some missions give you tickets. The tickets can be used in the lucky draw. In the lucky draw you can get 3 different rewards, at least for now. You can get some points, you can also get some USDT and the best reward is the Kaisar NFT. If you're feeling lucky, you can also burn some points that you have earned and convert them into tickets. To stay safe when using all of these extensions, I recommend using a secondary PC, a PC where you don't have your main wallet and where you don't have any personal information. If you want to stay up to date with all the news related to these projects, I recommend joining our Discord or Telegram. I will leave the link in the description. It's free to join. If you have any issues or questions, please leave a comment or send me a message. For today, that was the video. Thank you all a lot for watching and see you next time.